If you're experiencing issues with payments not going through on Payoneer, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your account balance. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Verify payment details. Double-check the payment details you entered, including the recipient's information, amount, and currency. Any errors in these details can cause the payment to fail. Step 3. Review account status. Log into your Payoneer account and check for any notifications or alerts regarding your account status. If your account is restricted or under review, you may need to resolve those issues before making payments. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, reach out to Payoneer customer support. Provide them with details about the payment attempt, and they can assist you in identifying the problem. Step 5. Try alternative payment methods. If the payment still does not go through, consider using an alternative payment method. Payoneer offers various options such as bank transfers or credit cards, which may work better in your situation. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix payment issues on Payoneer. If problems persist, continuous communication with customer support is recommended for further assistance.